So we would like to take the opportunity of this Emirates Society Orthopedic meeting to invite you for the first advanced course on knee surgery here in Dubai. We have a long history in France with this course, and now we are super happy to have all the great faculty, international and local faculty, being in Dubai in January for this advanced knee course. It's going to be everything about the knee, sports surgery, arthroplasty, revision, a lot of technical discussion, case discussion. It should be very interactive and I think very informative. So really looking forward to seeing you all in Dubai in January, and we're going to have a great time.